Welcome back to DIY Boomers. If you happen to see our video on upgrading our rip fence on our old Craftsman table saw, I mentioned another upgrade that was needed along with the new fence in order to do more precise work on our vintage saw. That upgrade ended up being the Leecraft CR-1 zero clearance table insert. Before upgrading, I tried cutting tongue and groove test pieces with some scrap pieces before attempting cutting the red oak for the bathroom vanity doors that we will be building. As you see here, that didn't go very well. While practice cutting the tongue and groove on one of the scrap pieces, the narrow stock slipped dangerously down into the wide slot in the table insert. Thus began the search for a zero clearance insert. Fortunately, the search ended when I found this one. The reviews for the Leecraft CR-1 were all very good, and it fits our old Craftsman model 113 perfectly. It has adjustment screws to fine-tune the fit if needed, and a tab on the top end that slides under the table's insert support lip. Height adjustment set screws on both ends of the insert allow you to match the height of the table exactly. I looked at the process of making my own insert, but considering time and materials needed, I opted for this one. I've seen it on Amazon anywhere between $35 to $45. So here's the last test run with scrap red oak to see if our upgraded saw is now up to the task of cutting tongue and groove for our cabinet doors. This operation can also be done on a router table with tongue and groove bits, and I initially gave that a try. The cheaper set of bits that I bought didn't allow adjustment on the groove bit, and with only 3 cutting blades on these type of router bits, I found that they were chipping and splintering the red oak. On top of that, I saw a lot of video on the topic that actually preferred cutting tongue and groove on the table saw rather than on a router table. Being that this was just a test run for the upcoming build of the actual vanity doors, I'm going to wait until then to detail the entire process. So if you haven't seen the rip fence upgrade on our old Craftsman, be sure to check that out along with the rest of our bathroom remodel and all the other content on our DIY Boomers channel. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.